Today, we're diving into one of Meta's greatest breakthroughs of the last decade, Meta Andromeda. Super excited. So stick around, because I'm going to show you exactly how this is going to change potentially everything and make it a lot easier to make a lot more money.
This is big.
So before we get started, I just want to say thank you so much. These 5-minute videos have been blowing up the channel, so I really appreciate you watching this. And go ahead and like this video if you like it. If you have any questions at any point in time, drop it in the comment section down below and I'll get back to you personally. Plus, if you love this video, go ahead and subscribe. Apparently only 35% of the people that are binging this playlist or watching our lives every Friday at noon are subscribed. So what do I gotta do? Hit the button.
I want you to hit me as hard as you can.
Go ahead and hit the button. It's right down there. All right, that being said, you also find a link in the description to join Disruptor Academy.
Do it!
And let's not bury the lead anymore. Let's get right into it because Meta released something amazing. And I've got all their internal press releases that nobody else does. And I'm going to bring you all the straight dope from the engineering team starting right now. Let's throw 5 minutes on the clock. Get started. So first, let's start about the game changer. What is Meta Andromeda? Meta Andromeda is a machine learning model helping to make your ads more personalized and effective. It's powered by NVIDIA's Grace Hopper Superchip as well as a lot of Meta custom hardware. And this is making ads relevant in a way that we've never been able to see happen before. It can analyze millions of ads.
Millions!
And selects the best ones faster and more accurately than ever before. We have already begun to see the ad platform basically be a virtual concierge, and it's amazing. Not only for the user experience, but also for the bank account of everyone running ads. As long as you run them the right way. So now let's talk about how Meta Andromeda actually works. So first, we need to talk about retrieval. Meta Andromeda is the first stage in a multi-step process to make sure that the best ads get shown to the best people at the best time. Retrieval is where the magic happens. Meta Andromeda can narrow down a pool of millions of ads to only the ones that are most interesting and engaging, making them far more likely to convert. It learns from trillions of data points across billions of people to be able to understand the complex and subtle patterns that most traditional models are missing. The result is that ads feel way less like an intrusion and way more like a customized immersive experience built just for each individual user. So now let's talk about the impact of Meta Andromeda. Andromeda has already shown tremendous results in initial testing. Ads powered by Andromeda have seen an 8% lift in quality and a 5% lift in conversion rate, and that is massive.
It's huge!
It's streamlining the way we build campaigns and delivering the best results with the most amount of confidence and the least amount of work. As advertisers, we benefit from Andromeda's scaled up ability to analyze larger sets of creative all at once. And you're going to hear a lot of people say, well, that means we can just run more and more and more ads, creative volume. And while that's true, I'm here to tell you that this means that you don't have to. Instead of improving your hit rate on 100 ads, you can now get 20 or 30 ads that are far superior. As long as you're protecting creative diversity, you're going to see better results with less and less work because the machine is only getting smarter and smarter and smarter. Don't use a smarter machine as an excuse to create more waste. Just use it to eliminate work and waste so that you can get much better results. It's that simple. So now let's talk about the future of ads with Andromeda. As Meta integrates more powerful hardware and NVIDIA upgrades their chips and all of this fun stuff happens, we're going to get even better quality stuff. We are on step 1, which really means we're going to be able to leverage greater creative diversity and hit on personalization better than ever before with way less guesswork. And this means we're going to show the right ads to the right people at the right time, even as we have a greater diversity of the ads that we have in our account. Instead of having to launch 100 or 200 or 1,000 more ads, you're going to be able to take time to properly strategize a couple dozen max and get way better results. As more and more advertisers adopt the Advantage Plus style of running things and leverage Andromeda, the machine's only going to get smarter, faster. So if you haven't already, it is time to jump on the Meta Andromeda train.
Oh, yes!
And the way that you do this is by making sure that your ads stay in the Advantage Plus state. And if you want more information on the Advantage Plus, there's a link to a video right around over here. You'll see it pop up. I did another one of these 5-minute videos to really walk through what Advantage Plus is all about. So at the end of the day, your job is to prioritize data and creative quality. You can be working on your business model. Your number one objective here is to remember that you are in a symbiotic business relationship with Meta.
It has the characteristics of a symbiote, which needs to bond to a host to survive.
Your job in this relationship is to give the end users on Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp the highest quality experience. If they like your ads, they click on them, and they stick around on your site, and they're likely to buy, then you're going to reach higher quality people for a lower price. And if you want to learn more how to leverage this tech and really take advantage of the system, go ahead and join Disruptor Academy. Again, the link is down below. Not only do you get everything you need to know to take advantage of Andromeda, as well as everything else in the Meta platform, you're also going to get dozens of templates for your creative, access to the GPT so you never have to work on writing ads ever again. The entire thing can be done for you. The only thing you need to do is respect the business relationship, build a better business model, and spend more money. That is your entire job. And with that being said, thank you so much. And until next time, I'll see you on the internet.